So today's rule for the day is use different time frames in your trading journey. So what I mean by that is if you're a day trader, use the daily charts to get an idea of the 30-day trend. Use the hourly charts to get an idea of the 1-day trend, and use the 5-minute charts to establish your entry points. So now this is just for the day trader's perspective on how you should be day trading and getting different perspectives on the market and where is it trending. And the reason why this is so important is if this is a short day trend and you're looking at like a 5-minute chart, the market could be like heading down to the ground. But if you're looking at a broader perspective, say the 30-day time trend and or the daily time frame, you would see the market's actually just on a correction or it's a consolidation, and it's then going to head up higher. So having these perspectives is really important because you will then put these pieces together and take your trades in the right direction. So I hope this was helpful for you, and please do apply this and tell me and let me know in the comments if this was helpful, or have you tried these time frames and has it benefited you in your trading journey. So with that, stay tuned to another video, and I hope this was beneficial for you.